MrBadDonut, and I'm here today to show you my stuffed animals. Starting off with Tiggy. Tiggy! Eat his face. Because he looks like an old grandpa with these shavings. And get out of the hamper, you, and you get out. Stay out of the hamper. And now, and I forgot to mention that I'm gonna be doing Husky-mons. Because he's my brother. Sniff it. Okay, this is Milo. He's not Milo Murphy. And his ears flop. He has a weird smile. So just stay in the hamper, you. No one's else in the hamper. Okay. Now I have Ooh. I have Ooh Guy. I have Ooh Guy here. He's not actually Ooh Guy. He's Teddy. Very simple name. Simple. And Simple is my biggest one. Billy! Technical difficulties. That was Tiggy. And he looks like a grandpa with the shaved side ears. And now we have these. Hi, wonky-eyed. Why are you looking at me like that? Why are you looking at me? You go, Scratcher. That was Scratcher. And then this be Tiny. Don't know why I called him Tiny. And now I'm gonna be Pickles. 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 Because my dad gave me that name. And then he's mentally depressed. With like crisis. I'll pack down. I'll pack up for Fluffy. Fluffy. Pippi. This is Pippi. Pippi is my first ever stuffed animal, and we got him a lot because we are a traveling family. That's what we do, we lose stuff, because that's what makes us. Hi Teddy, this is Teddy, Ted Store. Anticlimactic. Pause is here. I don't care. No. Okay, now time for Sparkle Frog. He has Sparkle Frog butt. Look at that. Now we have Baby Shark. Do 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 do. Baby Shark. Baby Sharky. Do 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 do. Daddy Shark. And then we have Pingusa. Come here, Pingusa. Come here, Pingusa. You can push her nose in like this so she can look like this. But I don't do that because that's mean. I'm like that. That wasn't mean. And then Milo's here. Milo's floppy-eared. Where are you? Dumbo Limbo! Dumbo Limbo! Yeah! And now we have Burger with Mr. Archer. Which is Husky-mons. And keep in mind, some of them aren't mine, they're Husky-mons. I think I told you which ones are and aren't. Is that true? That not? Is it? I'm going into my bedroom. Bye. Bye, humanity. Bye. Bye, humanity.